Hey everybody, today we got the O-Cedar mop. This is a spin mop system, microfiber spin mop system. And you know, they've had previous versions, but this one is the 2-tank system, okay? Separate tanks for both the clean and dirty water. We're getting ready to use our O-Cedar 2-tank mop system. And it's got this built-in compartment right here with this inner part. And so we're squirting some hot water, filling this up with some hot water. It got a little top that goes right here. So right now we just got it near our sink, using our little hose from our sink to fill it up with some hot water right here. Getting ready to work on these floors. And you can see right in here, you can see barely right here, you can see how the water is filling up on the inside of the tank. So this is the reservoir for the clean water that you'll be using, okay? So when you open this, the water will flow into here, and this is the clean water that you're using. So when you rinse it out on this side, the dirty water will be caught underneath. So it's got a system in place to separate both both your clean and dirty water. You don't want to be mopping your floors with your dirty water. Right, so this clean water is going to run out as we're cleaning the floors, and to refill it, we just pull this up and the water pours out of our reservoir that we filled up right here, okay? Mop system. Very nice. So we are ready to get to work. Here's our mop right here. And so you mop, and then when you want ready to rinse out, you put it in here, and that dirty water will go. Very nice. Look at the little handle right there, little step. Pretty cool. So with this mop system, you can also use the mop to get your baseboards, right? So that's pretty neat right there. All right, so we're out of clean water here. So all we got to do is pull up the little hatch right there and it'll fill in. Now we did decide to put another little smell pellet or cleaning pellet in the little reservoir itself. And so it dissolved in there. So now we have fresh clean water in here and we can keep on working. All right, so the cleaning tablets that we are using, by the way, are wood floor safe, right? So water and wood, you have to be careful. So this is not a ton of water on the wood, just enough to get them clean, let them dry out, you know, with the AC and fans on. But it is wood floor safe.